Hey everyone, in this video, we'll be discussing some of the best ways to earn money online. First up, freelancing. Freelancing is one of the easiest and quickest ways to make money online. If you have a marketable skill, such as writing, design, or programming, you can leverage platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to find clients and jobs. Next, affiliate marketing. This is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale made. You can do this through your blog, social media channels, or YouTube channel. Third, starting an e-commerce business. With platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon FBA, it's easier than ever to start an online store and sell products. Fourth, teaching online. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create online courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. Finally, completing online survey. It's not the most lucrative option, but it's a simple way to earn a few extra bucks in your free time. There you have it, folks. Some of the best and most effective ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.